Hello, welcome to another video tutorial. In this one, we are going to make this easy color block Amie blouse. For the materials, you will need your fabrics, sewing supplies, and the patterns that are available for purchase on our website. You can check the description box below for more details. So let's start. Place the front and the back body pieces together with the right sides facing outwards. Pin and sew the shoulders together. Iron the seams down flat. Moving onto the top bodice pieces, place these two together with the right sides facing inwards this time and attach the shoulders. Now place these pieces together as shown, one on top of the other. Match the shoulder seams. Pin all around the neckline and stitch them together. Cut notches all around the neckline for a smooth neckline curve. Turn the piece over as shown. Flatten out the neckline and iron it. Now onto the armholes. Roll over the bodice and sandwich it between the top and the bottom piece as shown. Stitch all along the armhole curve. Cut notches along the curve and turn the piece over as shown. Iron the armhole. Let's finish this other armhole in the same way. Roll over the piece. Sandwich it as shown and sew. Cut notches. Turn the piece over and iron it. Now let's move over to the front part. Fold in the seam allowance and sew it down with a top stitch. Let's repeat the same on the back as well. Moving on to the side seams, let's pin the sides together. Stitch them using French seams. Trim the seam, turn over and finish the French seam. Side seams are done. Now let's double fold and stitch the hemline. We are done, our blouse is ready. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you will try out this easy blouse pattern If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you again soon. Bye.